Hey everyone, are you ready to shake up your pasta routine? Today we're diving into a dish that's surprisingly delicious and incredibly easy, kimchi olive pasta. It's the perfect fusion of tangy Korean kimchi and savory Mediterranean olives. Get ready for a flavor explosion. You'll need your favorite pasta, about half a cup of chopped kimchi, and a quarter cup of sliced olives. Don't forget a few cloves of minced garlic, some good olive oil, and a splash of pasta water. A sprinkle of Parmesan cheese is optional, but highly recommended for that extra yum factor. First, cook your pasta according to package directions, making sure to reserve about half a cup of that starchy pasta water. While your pasta boils, heat a pan with olive oil over medium heat. Add your minced garlic and sauté until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Next, toss in your chopped kimchi and sliced olives. Sauté for another 2 to 3 minutes, letting those flavors meld beautifully. Now, add your cooked pasta directly to the pan with the kimchi mixture. Pour in a quarter cup of your reserved pasta water. Toss everything together until the pasta is well coated and the sauce slightly thickens. If it seems too dry, add a little more pasta water, a tablespoon at a time. Finish with a drizzle of fresh olive oil and a generous sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. And there you have it. A vibrant, flavorful kimchi olive pasta that's ready in minutes. It's tangy, savory, and utterly satisfying. This dish is proof that some of the best flavors come from unexpected combinations. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. It's a fantastic way to add a little excitement to your weeknight meals. Happy cooking, everyone!